Hi, my name is Ben. My family and I travel around in this big honkin' gas guzzling RV. As you can probably imagine, our fuel bill is substantial. Thankfully though, there's a way that we save hundreds of dollars on gasoline, and it's simply by using a free app that I downloaded onto my phone. The app is completely free. You can use it all across the country. It doesn't cost you a dime. There's no risk. It really sounds too good to be true, but it actually does work. I save hundreds of dollars on gasoline using an app called Get Upside. Here's how it works. So you download the app onto your phone, then you open it up and browse the gasoline discounts in your area. You pick out which deal you want and you lock in the deal. Go to the gas station and get gas like usual, and when you're finished at the pump, take a picture of your receipt using the Get Upside app. From there, Get Upside deposits your savings into your Get Upside account, and those savings just accrue. At any point, you can choose to have those savings transferred to your PayPal account, or put on an Amazon gift card, or even have a check sent to your mailbox. Finally, let me tell you how you can save an additional 15 cents per gallon on gasoline, and that is simply to use my referral code. Download the app onto your phone, plug in my referral code, you automatically save an additional 15 cents per gallon anytime you get gas using the Get Upside app. That's all. Get the app. Start saving money on gasoline today. Thanks for watching and happy savings.